So today I'm gonna be making some smothered chicken. I have a recipe for smothered pork chops. If you wanna see that, it's on my page, but I thought I can't have pork chops, so I thought I'll do chicken. So that's kind of why or how I came up with this idea. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to oil down my crock pot. I've got 3 chicken breast cutlets here, and they are partially frozen. No, I'm sorry, I've got 4, and they are partially frozen. I did wash them and rinse them. Some people don't, but I like to do that. Okay, let me discard this and I'm gonna wash my hands. So I have got the 4 chicken breast cutlets in my crock pot. Crock pot's oiled down. Now I'm gonna take some chicken broth and I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup, 1 can of cream of chicken, now you can mix this up before you put it in here if you want to. I don't. I just don't like to dirty up dishes, so that's just me. Because you can actually mix this right in the crock pot. Now I've got a can of cream of chicken. I'm just gonna spread that out and mix it around. Now I'm going to put some onions in here, and I've got 1/2 of a large onion, and y'all, this onion, it brought tears to my eyes. It's a good strong onion. And I diced those and I put that in there. Now I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika. And I don't use real measuring spoons. I just use my little teaspoon here, my tablespoons and teaspoons from my silverware set. So, okay. That's really all you need for this recipe. But I had some mushrooms left over from a recipe my husband did the other night. I probably got maybe 3/4 of a cup here. I washed them and I want to utilize these. So I'm just going to throw these on top. And that's how easy this recipe is. Now I'm gonna let this cook on high for 4 hours, but you can let this cook for 8 hours, 10 hours while you're at work. So this is a great one to throw together in the morning before you go to work. And I'll see you in 4 hours. Hey guys, it's been 4 hours and I actually cut this on warm after 4 hours. It's been about an hour because I had some things going on, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shred this chicken. And I can't wait to taste this. Let's see what this tastes like. This is so good. So I was gonna put this over rice, but my husband decided that I should make some mashed potatoes and just put it over the mashed potatoes. Wouldn't that be yummy? That gravy and chicken on that mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope all of you have a nice evening. I'm gonna go finish our supper.